This is how I saved $300 with my 3D printer. I recently moved into a new room, and the first thing I bought was a 300 pounds worth double roller blind. When the blind arrived, I realized it was 2 centimeters too short. I couldn't even use the room because the window was so big, the neighbors could see straight in. Instead of paying for a brand new blind, I decided to extend the rod using my 3D printer. To make it work, the adapter had to fit perfectly into both the rod and the mount. I started printing test pieces. This one failed. This one didn't fit. This one was too long. And this one was just wrong. After a few attempts, I finally finished a design that worked. With a bit of force, I managed to slide it perfectly into the rod. Now I can finally say goodbye to my neighbors and tell you that